I said it's a bit scary because I keep slipping the clutch because I'm frightened of the front coming up all the time. Luckily it's still got a starter motor attached. So.
Yeah.
Probably won't start now. I first realised I had something a bit special because originally this frame was a Street Fighter, so it had all the wrong wheels, all the wrong forks, wrong engine, wrong everything, and I didn't realise what it was. Then I met a chap named Nigel Everett. Nigel used to be Barry Sheene's mechanic, as well as Mick Grant and other riders of the period. And he very quickly said to me, "How the hell did you get your hands on that? That's an original aluminium Formula One bike frame you've got there." And then proceeded to go down to his shed and pull out wheels and forks and bits and pieces that he reckoned came off of this bike originally. So a very helpful person. But one thing that did stand out was he produced this picture of Barry Sheene riding it, which I never really expected to find a picture of Barry Sheene riding it, because Barry was a great fan of Grand Prix two-stroke motorcycles, and it turns out that Barry actually did ride it at Cadwell Park in a Formula One race, but it's just the only time, and it's not very well documented apart from this picture that Nigel gave me. Riders such as Mick Grant and Rob McElhenney were well known for riding these bikes. Rob McElhenney won the TT in 1984 on a 750 version. It looks very similar to the Suzuki XR39, which was like the Formula One bike of choice in the late 70s, and basically it is very similar, but Suzuki, in their wisdom, were looking to try and remove more weight, and they came up with this aluminium frame design, which is very similar in geometry to the 69 steel frame, but it's a lot lighter. The engine in this one is a 1000cc GS1000 engine from a road bike, even a 7980, and currently he's putting out on soft cams 109 horsepower. Most of the running gear, again to you racers out there, was predominantly RG500, so it's been pinched from the Grand Prix bike of the period. Even the rear swing arm and suspension is all RG500 based.